This message has been transmitted at the request of the President of the United States of America. This is not a test. A nuclear attack is occurring against the United States. An enemy plane carrying 3 nuclear warheads is en route to the United States, escorted by enemy forces. The location these warheads will be dropped at is uncertain, so we urge all residents of the United States to take shelter in basements, fallout shelters, or low-level floors. Keep phone lines open for emergency uses only. Do not leave your shelter until an all-clear has been given. Keep tuned to this station to receive updates regarding that attack. If this broadcast goes off air, stay in your shelter and brace for impact and possible nuclear fallout. We have discovered the locations the plane is heading to. Residents in